Hello my dear kids, a very warm welcome to all of you to Fun Drawing with me Piyali. At last this beautiful day has arrived and I'm sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this session. So let's begin. So children, today we will learn how to draw anything from numbers 1 to 10. So we will use the numbers 1 to 10 to draw an object. Let's see what we can draw. So 1 has become a ladybug. Yes, we can draw a ladybug with the number 1. So 2 will become a duck. So 2 with the number 2, we can draw duck. Now number 3. So with number 3 we can draw a butterfly. Now is time for number 4 and number 4 will become a fish. Now let's see what happens with number 5. Let's see. So, number 5 has become a penguin. Number 6. Let's see what happens with number 6. Oh, number 6 will become a snail. A beautiful snail. Now, my dear kids, it's time for number 7. Let's see what surprise there within the number 7. And I can guess the number 7 will bring out a doggy. Yes. So, we can draw a doggy using this number 7. A cute little doggy. Now, number 8. So, number 8 will become a big, cute teddy bear. So using number 8, we can easily draw a beautiful teddy bear. Now it's time for number 9. And number 9 is not number 9. It will become a very beautiful body. And last number, that is 10. Oh, number 10 has become a busy bee. Where it is going? Beautiful bee out of number 10. Are you coloring it, my dear kids? Take out all your colors and let's see how we can beautifully color these drawings made out of numbers using 1 to 10. So kids, I hope that you enjoyed very much exploring these drawings made up using numbers 1 to 10. Now you can easily draw these things, right? Wow! Good job done, kids. That's a very good drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And we will come back with another exciting topic of drawing basics. That's our topic, right? And stay safe, take a good care of yourself, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like. Bye bye.